Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a super useful guide especially for students who are diving into how you can play classic Pokemon games right on your school Chromebook in 2025. Let's get started. First, open up the browser on your Chromebook. You'll need to head over to the website emulatorgames.net. Once the site is loaded, look for the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Pokemon. Press enter and you'll see a list of different Pokemon games appear. You can choose whichever classic title you want to play. Click on the game you have selected. This will take you to the game's specific page. Now look carefully on this page. You might see a button that says Save Game. This button might be for saving your progress later on. But to start playing the right away, scroll down a little if needed and find the button that says Run Game. Click that Run Game button. The game will begin to load directly in your browser. Just give it a moment. And there you go. The game interface will appear and it will be easy for you to start playing Pokemon right there on your school Chromebook. So that's the simple method to get Pokemon running on a school Chromebook using this website. Thanks for watching this quick guide and I'll see you in the next one.